Great to see you again. Ready to start? First, take a second to share this with your friends and family. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. We are about to spill the beans. The quiz answer is read the following sentences and identify the collective nouns used. The first sentence is the company has a team of experts working on the project. Did the answer click you? It's a team of experts. Let's proceed further. A gaggle of geese waddled across the lawn. Any guesses? Yes, you are right. The answer is a gaggle of geese. Next, the university has a faculty of renowned professors. And the answer is a faculty of professors. The fourth sentence is the police department has a squad of skilled detectives. Here there are two answers police department and a squad of detectives. Both are collective nouns. Kudos to you for identifying not one but two collective nouns in the sentence. Shall we move on to the next one? A troop of scouts went on camping. The answer is indeed a troop of scouts. Next up, the company has a team of experienced engineers. The answer is a team of engineers. We have reached the end of our quiz journey. Buckle up, folks. I've got a thrilling story to share with you. The adventure of Max and Sam. Let's plunge into the world of Max and Sam. Max and Sam were two best friends who lived in New York City. One day, they decided to visit the Statue of Liberty. As they walked through Central Park, they saw many dogs playing fetch with their owners. Max and Sam stopped at a hot dog stand and bought 2 hot dogs. They sat down on a bench and enjoyed their snack. After lunch, they took a taxi to the Empire State Building. As they looked out over the city, Max turned to Sam and said, "This is amazing." Sam agreed and took a photo with his phone. Are you ready for a fun review? Let's use the story of Max and Sam to test your knowledge of common and proper nouns. Let's start with the common nouns. Did you catch every common nouns in the story? Let's check it out. Friends, dogs, owners, hot dogs, stand, bench, snack, lunch, taxi, city, photo, phone. Time to shine the spotlight on the proper nouns. Max, Sam, New York City, Statue of Liberty, Central Park, Empire State Building. I am sure you got them all correct. Now that we have scratched the surface, let's dive deeper. If we focus on the first common noun, we are referring to multiple individuals such as Max and Sam, and so the plural form friends is used instead of the singular form friend. Even if we observe the second word, we are speaking about more than one dog, and hence we have used the plural form dogs. When discussing proper nouns, they typically represent specific, unique entities such as individuals, locations, organizations, or objects, and are often singular, although plural forms can occur. Any idea what's on the agenda for today? In this section, we will examine the definition, rules, and examples of singular and plural nouns. Singular nouns refer to one person, idea, or thing. A helpful trick to remember is that the word singular contains the word single, indicating just one. They are used to represent individual entities. Examples: a bicycle is parked outside. Here, the word bicycle is a singular noun. A child is playing alone in the garden. In this sentence, the words child and garden are the singular nouns given. Plural nouns refer to more than one person, idea, or thing. A clever trick to remember plural is to spot the hidden word plus. indicating more. Just as in math, where we use the plus sign to indicate an increase. They are used to represent multiple entities. Examples: the bicycles are parked outside. In this sentence, the word bicycles is in the plural form. The children are playing in the garden. The plural noun given in the sentence is children. Here is the first key to unlocking the world of singular and plural nouns. The plural form of most nouns is formed by appending the suffix s to the singular form. Time to put this rule to the test. Here are some examples. Girl, the plural form becomes girls after adding an s. Cloud, clouds. Camera, cameras. River, rivers. Shell, shells. Pillow, pillows. Pen, pens. Dog, dogs. Easy peasy, right? But hold on a minute. They are the easy ones. Let's look at the next rule. When a singular noun ends with the sounds made by the letters S, SS, SH, CH, X or Z, add ES to form plural. Just think of this weird hissing sound. S, s, sh, t, x, z. Add only S if the singular noun ends in E. Following examples illustrates the application of this rule. Bus. The word bus ends with the s sound, that hissing sound, and to form the plural, we add es to make buses. Glass. The word glass ends with the s sound, and to form the plural, we add es to make glasses. Coach. It ends with the ch sound. Let's add es and change it into the plural form. It becomes coaches. Bush. It ends with the sh sound. By adding es, we get bushes, which is the plural form of the word. Box. The word box ends with the sound x. The plural form will be boxes. Topaz. The noun topaz terminates with the phonetic sound z, and its plural form is accordingly topazes. Cage. Nouns ending in E become plural by adding S. To make cage plural, we simply add S to get cages. Cave. The plural form of cave is caves. The next rule to consider is when a singular ends with the sounds made by the letters P, P, T, T, K, K or TH, th, add S to form plural. Let's see this rule in action with some examples. Map. Nouns ending with the P sound become plural by adding S. To make map plural, we simply add S to get maps. Mat. It ends with the sound T, and so the plural is mats after adding an S. Hook. It ends with the K sound. By adding S, we get hooks, which is the plural form of the word. Path. The word path ends with the sound th. The plural form will be paths. Cup, cups. Cat, cats. Book, books. Youth, youths. Rule number 4. For a noun ending in Y, change the Y to I and add ES. But this rule works only if there is a consonant before the Y. If the ending in the singular is preceded by a vowel sound, adding only S makes the plural. For instance, baby. When a noun ends in a consonant sound plus Y, the conventional rule is to replace the Y to I and add ES to form the plural. In the word baby, the letter Y is preceded by a consonant sound B, and so we will replace Y to I and add ES. After applying this rule, the plural form will be babies. Puppy. As you can see in the word puppy, it ends with the letter Y and is preceded by a consonant sound, and so change the Y to I and add ES. it turns to the plural form puppies. Party, parties. Country, countries. Monkey, in the word monkey, as you can see, though it ends with the letter Y, but is preceded by a vowel sound. Here we will add only S to form the plural, which is monkeys. Boy, the same rule applies here, boys. Ellie, Ellies. Guy, guys. Rule number 5 states singulars ending in O usually form plurals by adding S, but some words need ES to make plurals. Piano, nouns that end with the sound O typically form their plurals by adding S. In the case of piano, the correct plural form is indeed pianos. Photo, photos. Studio, studios. Kangaroo, kangaroos. However, with some words we need ES to make plurals, as in the word tomato, tomatoes. Hero, heroes. Potato, potatoes. Volcano, volcanoes. Moving on to the next rule. In the plurals of nouns ending in F or FE, the F or FE is replaced by VES. Some nouns ending in F, however, make their plurals by adding S. Half, the word half, ends with the sound F, and so we replace it with VES to form the plural, halves. Elf, elves. Life, here the word life ends with the sound F. Change F, that is FE, to ES and we get lives, which is the plural form. Knife, knives. Cliff, not all nouns that end in F, that is F, follow this rule. Some may form their plural by simply adding S, like cliffs. Golf, golfs. Belief, beliefs. Chef, chefs. The plural noun adventure continues. Don't miss our next video for more exciting rules and examples. But before you go, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Take care and we'll catch you up soon. Toodles!